Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are doing well today. We are going to talk about mixed numbers, which are part of a whole and a fraction. So a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So let's look at these circles here. There are two whole circles, that's this one and this one, and half of another circle, and here's the half that we see. There are 2.5 circles shown. 2.5 is a mixed number. And what makes it a mixed number is the 2, that's what we call a whole number. That's shown by these two circles. And then the half we know is a fraction, which is shown by this part that is not a whole circle. It's half of the circle. So that's exactly what a mixed number is. A mixed number has a whole number and a fraction put together into what we call a mixed number. How many oranges are shown? Well, let's see. I have 1, 2, 3 whole oranges, and then I have a fraction here where it looks like the whole oranges are cut into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So if I go over here to the one that's missing part, I have 1 part, 2 parts, but the third part is missing. So there are 3 whole oranges, 1, 2, 3, and 2 out of the 3 parts of another orange. So we can say there are 3 2/3 oranges. These are the 3. This represents 2 with 1 missing. That would make the total of 3. And we know that we put the denominator, that's the number that goes on the bottom, that's what should be the total. And then the 2 is what we have with the 1 missing. So that's where the 2 comes from. 3 minus 1 equals 2. There are 2 2/3 oranges. This asks us to write a mixed number. Well, we have a sandwich, but this is a whole sandwich. So I'm going to put 1 whole sandwich. And this represents my fraction of my mixed number. So if I'm looking here, the original sandwich is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So I know that my denominator, or the bottom downstairs number, will be 4. And I have 1, 2, 3 of the parts of this second sandwich. So I have 1 whole sandwich and 3/4 of the next sandwich. So I can say 1 3/4. 1 3/4 is a mixed number because I have 1 as my whole number and 3/4 as my fraction. And that's what a mixed number is, a whole number with a fraction. How about the pizza? Yum, yum. I love a pizza. Well, I have 1 whole pizza and only 1 slice, so I could put that up here, but how do I know what is my denominator? Well, it's got to be the total number. We know that from studying fractions, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 total parts, but I only have 1 piece of pizza on that second pizza left. Mr. Wade must have eaten that pizza. So my mixed number is 1 1/6, with 1 being my whole number and 1/6 being my fraction. Here's a word problem. 2 pizzas, okay, I've got those, were cut into 4 pieces. So let me divide my pizzas. That's not really straight, but you get the point. all together, 3 total pieces were eaten. Okay, so I'm going to scratch 1, 2, 3. So those 3 pieces were eaten. It asks to write a mixed number to tell how much pizza was left. Well, over here I have 1 whole pizza left. So that's my whole number. Over here, if those have been eaten, I have 1 piece left. But how many total were there again? 4. So the mixed number to show how much pizza was left is 1 1/4. Excellent job today. You can work math lesson 111 side A on your own. No need to upload or send me a pic or anything. You can just do that sometime on your own. And tomorrow we're going to continue to talk about mixed numbers together. Have a great day.